Hello and welcome to part 2 of the Polity series. Today we'll be looking at the different sources from which inspiration was drawn for the making of the Indian Constitution. Name the source from which the feature has been borrowed by the Indian Constitution. Fundamental rights. Fundamental rights was borrowed from the United States of America. Vesting of residuary powers in the center. This feature was borrowed from Canada. Parliamentary government. This feature was borrowed from the British Constitution. It's important to note that a significant number of features were taken from the British Constitution. We'll see which ones specifically. Single citizenship. British Constitution. Procedure for amendment of the Constitution. South Africa. Judicial review. The United States of America. Method of election of the President. Ireland. Advisory jurisdiction of the Supreme Court. Canada. Post of the Vice President. The United States of America. Federal scheme. The Government of India Act 1935. Parliamentary privileges. The British Constitution. Freedom of trade, commerce and intercourse. Australia. Republic. France. Rule of law. British Constitution. Fundamental duties and the ideals of justice, social, economic and political in the preamble. Erstwhile USSR. The cabinet system. The British Constitution. Bicameralism. British Constitution. Judiciary. Government of India Act of 1935. Procedure established by law. Japan. Public Service Commissions. The Government of India Act of 1935. Office of the Governor. Government of India Act of 1935. Directive Principles of State Policy. Ireland. Legislative Procedure. British Constitution. Nomination of members to the Rajya Sabha. Ireland. Ideals of liberty, equality and fraternity in the preamble. France. Emergency provisions and administrative details. Government of India Act of 1935. Appointment of state governors by the centre. Canada. Joint sitting of the two houses of parliament. Australia. Which is the most important source that the Indian Constitution is structured around? Government of India Act of 1935. Prerogative writs. British Constitution. Suspension of fundamental rights during an emergency. Germany. Federation with a strong center. Canada. Independence of the judiciary. United States of America. Removal of the Supreme Court and High Court judges. The United States of America. Concurrent list. Australia.